Hey everyone, this is Jess from Non-Techie Entrepreneur, and this tutorial is a part of the Mastering Shopify series. In this tutorial, I am going to cover how to set up your Shopify legal pages. When setting up your new store, you want to make sure that you add the appropriate policies to your store. Adding policies not only protect you and your business, but also protects and educates your customers. Shopify has a section just for the legal pages for your store. You will go to Settings in the main navigation, and then Legal. Here you will see the different type of policies that you should have on your store. We have our refund policy, our privacy policy, terms of service, and shipping policy. Now, each of these you can edit and make your own. So if you don't have a policy already, you have the ability to create templates. With that template, you can go through and edit it so that you're not starting from scratch. It pre-fills information for you, such as your email address, contact information for your customers. Privacy policy also has a template that you can choose from and be able to go through and add the information that is needed. Terms of service also adds a template that you can use, and it will populate information such as your store name and your My Shopify name, your email address for your customers to be able to contact you. And last is the shipping policy. This does not have a template, but if you are shipping out products to your customers, you want to let them know when to expect their package. You want to be able to let them know how your process goes for shipping, to educate them and to kind of get rid of some of the questions that come up when they can't find the shipping policy. Once you've made the changes that you need, you'll click Save, and now your policies will be ready for you to add to your menus and add it to your store checkout.